As a high school student, you have access to one of the most powerful language models in the world, ChatGPT. But how can you use it to enhance your studies and improve your skills? In this video, we'll show you some of the best ways to utilize ChatGPT as a high school student. Using ChatGPT for essay writing. One of the most obvious ways to use ChatGPT is for essay writing. Top 5 ways that a high school student can use ChatGPT for essay writing. Writing assistance. A student can input a topic or a thesis statement, and ChatGPT can generate a coherent, well-written essay. This can help the student improve their grammar, sentence structure, and cohesiveness of their writing. Research assistance. ChatGPT can be used to generate a list of research sources or an outline for an essay, which can help the student to gather and organize their research more effectively. Peer review. ChatGPT can be used to review and provide feedback on a student's essay, which can help them identify areas of improvement. Essay prompts. ChatGPT can be used to generate essay prompts, which can help the student to practice their writing skills and come up with new ideas for essays. Plagiarism check. ChatGPT can also be used to check for plagiarism in a student's essay by comparing it to a vast pool of texts available on the internet. With its advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT can help you improve the grammar, sentence structure, and cohesiveness of your writing. Simply input your topic and let ChatGPT generate a coherent, well-written essay. Using ChatGPT for research. ChatGPT can also be a valuable tool for research. The natural language understanding capabilities of ChatGPT allow it to understand complex topics and provide relevant information. Use it to generate a list of research sources or even a comprehensive outline for your paper. Here are the top 5 ways high school students are using ChatGPT for research. Research assistance. ChatGPT can be used to generate a list of research sources or an outline for a research paper, which can help students to gather and organize their research more effectively. ChatGPT can also be used to understand complex topics and provide relevant information by answering questions related to the research topic. Summarization. ChatGPT can be used to summarize long texts, such as articles or books, into shorter, more manageable chunks of information. This can be particularly useful for students who need to condense a lot of information into a shorter research paper or presentation. Quoting. ChatGPT can also be used to generate quotes from texts, which can be a useful way for students to include direct evidence to support their arguments. Research prompt. ChatGPT can be used to generate research prompts and topic ideas, which can help students to come up with new and interesting research ideas. Citing. ChatGPT can also be used to generate citations, in proper format, for the sources that the student is using in their research. Using ChatGPT for creative writing. ChatGPT isn't just for academics, it can also be used for creative writing. Input a prompt or a character description, and ChatGPT can generate a short story or a script. This can be a fun and exciting way to exercise your imagination and improve your writing skills. Here are the top 5 ways to use ChatGPT in the creative writing process. Generating short stories. ChatGPT can be used to generate short stories by inputting a prompt or a character description. This can be a fun and exciting way to exercise your imagination and improve your writing skills. Generating scripts. ChatGPT can also be used to generate scripts for plays, movies, or TV shows. You can input a premise, characters or a scene, and ChatGPT can generate dialogue, action and plot for a script. Writing prompts. ChatGPT can be used to generate writing prompts, which can help you to come up with new and interesting ideas for creative writing. Poetry. ChatGPT can be used to generate poems by inputting a theme, a style, or a form. This can help to inspire creativity and experiment with different forms of poetry. Character development. ChatGPT can be used to generate character descriptions and backgrounds, which can help writers to create more detailed and well-rounded characters. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used as a high school student. With its advanced language capabilities, the possibilities are endless. Start exploring ChatGPT today and see how it can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.